It's your favorite burping girl, Andrea. Yummy. Oh, nice oniony burps. I bet you can smell that. Oh, these burps smell so bad. I think I'm gonna gag. Oh my god, I really feel like I'm gonna gag right now. Oh, burps and farts. Oh, stinky. From one pig to another. Burping girl, how do you burp so loud? I'll tell you how. You drink a nice, delicious, healthy Diet Monster. Brings out the monster in me. That was only from one sip. It fizzes down my...
I'm in a creative slump. That is all.
Hermes. Hermes, we have the meats. Hermes, we have the meats.